Hello! If you're getting this pip error when you're trying to execute pip commands in command prompt, you'll be able to solve this issue by the end of this video. In this video, I'll be showing multiple ways of solving this issue, and I hope at least one of them will work out for you. One of the main reasons of this error can be that you might have forgotten to add the path of pip to your environment variables. And first, let's cover how that's done. Firstly, we need to open the File Explorer, and we will do it by typing explorer dot to open the File Explorer in our system. And now that it's open, you need to go to App Data from your user, then to Local, and you'll find Programs here. Under the Programs folder, go to Python, and here I have multiple Python versions installed in my system. You might only have one, and if that's the case, just get into that. And if you have multiple, like I do, just get into the most recent version. Okay, so here we need to copy the path of this script here. So just get into that and copy it. As you can see, we have pip here already. Then in order to add this to our system environment variables, we will open up system environment variables by clicking Windows button and then typing system environment variables, and here it is. So this is basically where you store all your API keys or the paths to the executables that you want to execute directly from the command prompt. So let's see the environment variables, and here you will see a path for your under your user variables. Just get into that and paste the path you copied earlier and click OK. So in order for this to work, you actually have to close and open up the command prompt again. And once you do that, you'll see pip is now working as a command in your command prompt. Okay, so this was the first solution, and if it didn't work out for you, it's fine, because I will show you another solution of solving how to use pip in command prompt. So for this solution, you'll actually have to make sure that the Python command is working on your command prompt, and just type Python and press enter. And right now, as you can see, it's working for me. And if it's not working out for you, you'll have to go back to the environment variables again and go to the path variable under your user. And as a new path here, you have to paste the older path again and just delete the scripts part at the end. And just save it by clicking OK. And now open the command prompt again. Okay, so now try running the Python command again, and it should be working. So right now what we can do is, instead of just using the pip command, which might not be working for you at the moment, you'll have to use python-am pip. And here -am basically means module, and with this command here, we'll be referring to the pip executable that is linked with the current registered Python on the system. And as you should be able to run the Python command, this command will also be likely to work. And when you press enter, you'll hopefully see that this is working for you. Okay, so this was it for solving the pip is not recognized error in command prompt. If you have any further questions, you can ask them in the comments below. And if you found these solutions helpful, you can share it with your friends and subscribe. See you in another video.